Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to make your text pop with a cool animated outline in Canva. First, create a new presentation. Then, select your newly created presentation from the list to continue. Let's add elements to your project. For this example, select the photo element to insert an image. This helps customize your design with personal photos. This is a picture of the football. Take a look at its details, such as the stitching and texture. We'll use this image as our reference for the next steps. Make sure you have a similar football image ready before moving on. Select an image by clicking on it. For example, choose this one from your files. This will upload the selected image and display it in your current project workspace. Next, we'll add text to our project. Select the text tool from the toolbar, then click anywhere on the canvas. Type Storybook into the text box that appears. Adjust the font size and position as needed for your layout. Next, let's change the font. Click on the text box to select your text. In the top menu, find the Font drop-down menu. Click it to see the list of available fonts. Scroll through the list and select Gagalin as your new font. Once you select Gagalin, you'll see your text update instantly. Now the font style is successfully changed to Gagalin. Change the color by selecting white from the Color Options menu. Duplicate the text by selecting it and choosing the duplicate option. Once you have two copies, click on the first duplicate to select it. This prepares the text for the next step in the process, ensuring you work with the correct version in your project. Add text to your design, then apply the hollow effect for a sleek outlined appearance. Click the position option in your menu. Next, locate the Layers section in the panel. This allows you to manage different elements on your design individually. By selecting layers, you can rearrange items, show or hide specific parts, and ensure everything is organized. Use these tools to streamline your workflow and maintain control over every aspect of your project. Position the image in the center of the canvas by clicking and dragging it. As you move the image, watch for guidelines or snapping tools that help align it. Release the mouse once the image is perfectly centered, ensuring a balanced and professional layout. First, select the image you want to edit. Look for the Remove Background option in your toolbar or editing menu. Click Remove Background to automatically erase the background from your selected image. This step will isolate your main subject, making it easier to use or modify in your designer project. Adjust the settings by rolling the control between your fingers. This lets you fine-tune the level exactly how you want it. Make small adjustments as needed, continuing to roll back and forth until you reach the desired position. Once you're satisfied, stop and check your changes to see if everything looks right. For a more refined result, take your time and use gentle, even movements. Applying this careful, hands-on approach will help you achieve a more precise and professional finish every time. Click the Add button to include more of the desired element. If you need to increase the amount, simply click Add again until you reach the level you want. Each click will add a bit more. Make sure to check the updated quantity to verify the changes. Repeat this process as needed for your specific requirements within the project. Click the Add button to include more items to your list. A dialog box will appear where you can type the name of the new item you want to add. After entering the name, click Save to confirm. You'll see your new item added to the list immediately. You can repeat this process anytime you want to expand your list with additional items. Change the color right here. Click the Share button, then select Download. Choose the PNG file format for higher image quality. To improve the resolution, adjust the size settings before saving. After setting your preferred options, click Download to save the image with enhanced quality to your device. You've learned to make awesome animated outline text in Canva. Like and subscribe if you want more cool Canva tricks.